What? 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 Bro! What? 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 Bro!
Just right now, we are following some breaking news. A massive explosion in the port of Beirut in Lebanon. This was the scene just a few moments ago. You can see police arriving at the scene. Early reports, again, we should caution, these are early reports, say that the explosion or perhaps explosions could have been caused by fireworks. The explosion, though, as you can see, damaged a number of buildings, left a massive plume of smoke. It would appear as if there are plumes of smoke, but again, this is the scene just a few moments ago.
What? 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 Bro!
In Beirut, this is in Lebanon. We are following the story. We've got some folks on the ground there working to gather more information. We will pass it along to you as we get it.